Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off SafeSearch on Android. If you're using any Android phone and you want to turn off SafeSearch, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Chrome browser and here just tap on three dots in the top right corner, then tap on settings and here you will get the option of privacy and security. Tap on it and here just scroll down and look for use secure DNS. Tap on it, then tap on use your current service provider. Just tap on it, and after doing that, you have the second way. Just open settings, and here just tap on connections, and here you must have to look for DNS service. And here's that. Just tap on it, and you must have to select automatics DNS provider. So in this way, you can easily turn off SafeSearch on your any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.